Hey everybody, Lucas Purton here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 28301AT. This is a lifted Rubicon. It's a one owner, four-wheel drive with 373 gears, 4-to-1 rock track transfer case, Dana 44 axles with true lock differentials, quick disconnect sway bar. Has a bed-lined Angry Eyes grill with a bed-lined louver hood insert that ties it together real nice here. It also has the bed-lined front and rear bumpers down here. Has LED headlights. 35-inch Mickey Thompsons on a 17-inch Hilo wheel. The Fox struts inside here. Inside, so you get in here, has heated premium cloth seats, power locks. Steering wheel controls for your cruise, CD player, aftermarket grab handles here, back seat here. It's got the rubber floor mats in here as well. Sound bar up top with your aftermarket grab handle again in the rear. Super clean vehicle inside and out. Got your spare tire on the back here. The aftermarket bumper as well back here with the bed lined coating on it. Again, we're looking at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 28301AT. I'm Lucas Purton. Come visit us at Piqua, Ohio at Paul Sherry Chrysler, or give me a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129, or visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.